Hey, what's up, guys? Very fresh morning from my side. Be certain with my DTU live talk, and today there is pain in whole body. It is not because of any disease, any troublesome fever, but it is because of practice that I am doing 2 hours each day in playground, and definitely it is a sweet pain that everyone want. And remember that if there is a good health, definitely you needed to some labor, some physical work, and I am doing my past task very well. And each day I go in playground and spend almost 2 hours for physical maintenance and yoga. Now let's talk today's topic. About that I am going to talk with you. Remember that if there is no person to interrupt you on your bad action, slowly and slowly our bad habit increases and reach in a situation from where only destruction comes, nothing in our hand. Remember that if you are living in a society, there is badly needed like a guardian, parent that time to time interrupt us on bad action when we are choosing wrong path. That time they stand in front of us and says you are doing wrong. Such kinds of activities always turns our habit into a right direction. From there we work very well, and finally a day comes when we feel that we should thankful that person who interrupt us on our wrong activities. Actually this idea came to my mind after reading a lesson in class 3 in which a proudy person has a garden, and let's do not anyone enter in that garden. Slowly and slowly no one come in that garden, and his garden was destroyed. And you can imagine garden, if there is no any garden inside that, it destroyed very soon. I mean anyone should be to take care of the garden. Such things applying in our life. Also badly needed some guardian, either it is our elder brother, our parents, our mother, anyone can be, who interrupt us on our bad activities, bad action. And this is true. If there is no one to interrupt us, slowly our habits become uncontrollable, and a day comes when we mislead and reached at that point from where it is impossible to make a turn back. So limit that always make us much better. Extra freedom that always be a big factor to reduce the foundation limitation. And remember that a person there is who has no any limit, no any foundation, either he demolish or either make his life worse. So I think every person should be in limit, should be in control, either it is by own self, either it is by the guardian, parents, brother, anyone can be. So needed and badly needed. So just I want to say that if someone in your life interrupts you, do not angry at that person, but it should be a favor towards that person, that he is stopping you on your bad activities, bad work. This is the things that we are needed in this life. So it is a short conversation taking DTube live talk, some interruption that on the way. And now tomorrow I will meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye friends, have a good day.